Today I'm going after a craving that has been hunting me for months. Choco Crossies. I love them in Germany and I just had to make my own. They might not look as sleek as the originals, but by God, they taste amazing. What could go wrong with crunchy cornflakes, nuts, and lots of chocolate? You'll need 100 gram cornflakes, 200 gram chocolate of your choice, mine was bittersweet, 50 gram butter, and 50 gram hazelnuts or almonds that you slightly beat into smaller pieces. First of all, you need to melt your chocolate. I don't have a microwave, so I melt them over steam. Melt it however it is easier for you. When it's done, melt the butter with the remaining heat in the chocolate and stir it until it is fully incorporated. Then toss in the nuts and the cornflakes and mix this until the cornflakes are fully covered in chocolate. If you have the feeling that it is not enough, you can still melt a bit more chocolate to pour over. After that, scoop little heaps of the mixture on a baking sheet so that you can cool them off in the fridge. Mine weren't little heaps, they look rather like tiny mountains, but that way I can tell myself that I just ate one, deceiving myself on a whole new level. When you're done with that, you can decorate it with anything you want. I wanted to make a few streaks of white chocolate, which I piped on top of them. This is totally optional and quite frankly, I did it because I was bored. If you're bored as me and crave some yummy sweet treats, you gotta try these out. Feel free to tag us on Twitter with your results. As usual, the recipe is in the description below along with different kinds of measurements like imperial or metric. You seem to like sweets, so check out the other video here. Or if this sugar rush is too much for you, check out these yummy snacks that are guaranteed to make you lick your fingers. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out our weekly videos. Thank you for watching.